Skyscrapers reaching into the clouds, data at the speed of light, convenience at your fingertips, and yet most people are lost, anxious, sick, and more spiritually numb than ever before. Is that what we call civilization? Because if this is the height of our evolution, why does it feel like something essential is missing? We move faster but go nowhere. We know more but understand less. We connect with everyone but deeply know no one. Not even ourselves. Somewhere along the way, growth was confused with expansion. We built outward, cities, systems, networks, but forgot to build inward. We mastered machines but forgot the mysteries. A real civilization doesn't just feed the economy. It feeds the soul. It doesn't protect borders, it protects truth. It doesn't just teach obedience, it teaches wisdom. But this system, it conditions consumption. It rewards distraction. It survives by keeping you in survival mode. And you can feel it, the quiet ache in your gut, that sense that something's off, no matter how normal things appear. That's your spirit remembering what the world forgot. You don't have to burn it all down, but you do have to stop worshiping it. Stop calling it normal when it's clearly broken. Stop settling for numb when you were born to feel. Stop outsourcing your truth to a system that profits from your confusion. Because civilization in its truest form isn't built by systems, it's built by souls. And the moment you reclaim your inner compass, the moment you remember what actually matters, that's when something real begins. Humanfluence, out.